As I read, I will highlight the words so that you can focus. A man sees a cat with a cap. The man gives Dad the cat with a cap. Dad and the cat go to see Dan. Dan is the vet. Dan, and there's a comma, the vet, meaning they are telling you who Dan is. That's why the comma is there. And the reason there's another comma is to continue the sentence. So this piece here is an explanation of who Dan is. So Dan the vet sets the cat on the box. The vet looks at the cat. The vet says, "This is Sam." Can you notice Sam's name is in a capital letter? Sam is Ben's cat. The cap is Ben's cap. Dad and the vet go to see Ben. Ben sees his cat, comma, and Sam. Now we don't say comma when we're reading it. We say Ben sees his cat, Sam. You'll notice I paused here. I waited a while and then I said his name because this shows that it's Sam's cat. Ben yells, "Now my cat and cap are back." Now we learn to practice a few words sounds again. Again, capital letters because it's the names of people. So capital T, a capital B, and a capital E, all indicating that these are proper nouns. T, A, D. And when we say T together, it gives us TED. So T, A, D, TED. And try to practice that. B, A, N, Ben. B, A, N, Ben. A, D, Ed. A, D, Ed. Okay, so it's again straight line down and 3 lines across. A, D, Ed. Then we have R, A, D, R, A, D, red. And this is the color red, similar to what I'm using to show you how to connect the dots. So you go down for the R and up again in a curved motion. The E again, we've done this many times, and the D, R, A, D. I'll write it here without any dots so you can see clearly. R, A, D, red. Then the next one is N. It's an N, N, A, T, net. N, A, T, net. Okay. Then we have A, D, fed. A, D, fed. For example, I fed the cat, meaning past tense, I had given it food. Fed. L, A, T, let. L, A, T, let, and W, A, T, wet, W, A, T, wet. Okay, again, the G or the G sound, same like an A or F, but it goes a tail underneath. The A, G, A, T, get. Again, please careful how you write the G, round, up, down, tail. The E, across, up, round, T, from the top to the bottom, get. Again, round, up, down, under the line, and a tail. E, across, and similar to the C. T goes across there. Again, G, A, T, get. And this one also, get confuse our B's and G's, our bat, up again to make our ball. B, A, and D is like the A, but right to the top and down. Again, here's its belly, B for belly, A, and D, bed. B, A, and D. So please practice these words. We have the word fed, let, wet, get, bed. And yeah, just practice the ones you've done before as well. Thank you.